Hey guys, it is Sunday. I'm preparing our final week of a new lesson for you because Friday is our last day of quote unquote school. The following week will be a chance for you to make up stuff. And it's been such a weird time, guys. I just can't thank you enough for how you have come online. We were thrown into this situation. And the way you guys have handled it, it's something you could take with you for the rest of your lives. And I hope we're back in September and you all come by and see me and say hi and what's up. 'Cause I miss seeing your guys' faces. Um, I do conversate with you on email and I'm available in the conferences, but it's not the same when we're in person in the classroom. And I hope you enjoy your summer. The last assignment is an interesting one. It has to do with going to space. You may have realized that Saturday we sent two astronauts into space through the SpaceX program and Elon Musk's SpaceX program. This program that you're going to do looks at what would an environment be like to send somebody to Mars, because that's what we want to eventually do. And we want to keep going out into the galaxy and into the solar system. And this is a step in the right direction. So, what factors, what environment would you need? You're first going to answer the questions, pre questions, and then you'll answer the questions after. You can submit it online to me, or you can just answer the questions and turn in and get the points. I'm available for conferences if you need anything. Stay safe out there. Keep positive, okay? Be the positive to people that are out there that are hurting right now, as it is a crazy, crazy time. Um, I miss all you guys. There is an extra credit opportunity at the end, and then next week I'll have an extra credit reflection piece. Some of you guys have asked about extra credit. We'll be in touch, okay? This is just see you for now, but it's not goodbye forever. Okay. We will talk to you. I'll be available online. Miss you guys, man. Winding down. The following week, you will be turning in your laptop. They will take your laptop. You're getting letters in the mail from our principals about it. So be on the lookout for that. Talk to your parents about it. Okay. This is Mr. Adamucci. I'm signing off. See ya.